Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anupama. So today it's gonna be a makeover video. It's just a quick video on how to decorate the side wall area of your living room in a rental friendly way. All the links to the DIY which I had used in this video are given in the description box as well. So let's get started. So this is the area which I thought of giving it a new look and also to create a zen corner. First I started by placing this coffee table at the center, which I purchased it from Royal Oak, Bangalore. Then I placed a table runner over it. This I bought it from Flipkart. The link will be in the description box. Then I placed this wooden carved Buddha over the table, which I bought it from my recent trip to Goa. This I bought it for 900 rupees. Instead of this, you can even use a brass statue or a ceramic statue, whichever is available with you. I want the place to look more lively, so I placed the peace lily and anthurium plants on both sides of the Buddha. And this succulent tray on the front side of the Buddha. This is a lotus candle holder which I had made earlier. The link for the making will be in the description box. You can check over there. I made two of these to place them in front of Buddha. Here at the center of the lotus I can place a candle or tea light. Now to cover the space on both sides of the table, I am placing these handcrafted chairs which I brought it from local exhibition. You can even find them in Amazon. The link will be in the description box. Now to decorate the wall, I am using this mirror wall decor. The making of this beautiful mirror is shown in the earlier video. You can even check the link in the description box. Once again I am saying guys, all the links for the DIYs are given in the description box. You can check over there. I am using these command hooks to hang this mirror right above the Buddha. These command hooks are very easy to install and they can be easily removed. On the other hook I will be placing a fish. Even this I had made it earlier as an incense holder. So to hang it I had placed a thread over the back side of the fish to make it stand vertically. If you want, you can place an incense stick on the fish. Or you can leave it as a decor piece. Now I had placed these cushions over the chair. You can use these cushions on the both sides. Now our zen decor is ready. Just have a before and after look. It is very simple and soothing as well. This is my best place of our living room as it always spreads a positive energy. One can sit down and have meditation to get themselves relaxed. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please do comment if you are happy with the makeover, and if you are new to my channel and if you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.